This is Larry Bonaroto from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. Success is never final. That quote from Coach John Wooden brought to mind a recent client interaction. But first, a quick note. By winning a college football game, you have success until the next game. When you win enough games, you succeed in winning your division. When you win your division, you succeed to the conference championship. By winning the conference championship, you may get to play for a national title. And when you win the national title game, you've achieved success until the next season. Success in business is much the same and is never final. We succeed by how well we manage the 4 Ps: people, process, product, and promotion. We measure our success monthly, quarterly, or yearly versus our goals. Our success then gives us a moment to celebrate those accomplishments. Then we start over again in the next period. A client having 4 different people serving in a key position over 6 months saw very negative impacts on productivity, sales, and team morale. By concentrating maximum effort to both understand the issues and recruit the right person, they finally found and onboarded a great candidate. Inasmuch as this person's skill level is improving, their KPIs are improving as well. They understand that winning one week only produces success until the next week. This team is committed to continuous improvement in order to achieve long-lasting success. The next logical place to strive for improvement is in their processes. What processes are hindering their productivity? Do all their people have written job descriptions to include both primary and secondary functions? Is there continuous skills training for team members? Will cross-training them to perform various jobs ensure that clients can be properly served in the event of absences, vacations, and illnesses? And is it prudent to invest in newer technology to improve productivity? Changes in markets, technology, products, and services create new opportunities to do more and to serve more clients. By using an automated system to gauge client success and satisfaction, they'll be able to add to and adjust what they offer. Are there any upsell services or point-of-purchase products they can offer to enhance their customer experience while adding to their bottom line? As client expectations evolve, products and services must evolve as well. They must be examined, updated, and augmented. It may be difficult to attract new clients and keep current clients by offering only last year's products and services. Finally, if you have the right people doing the right jobs and you're offering and delivering the right products and services, it may be time to examine your promotional marketing. In an ever-crowded marketplace with so many options available for clients, how do prospective clients know about you? Do they have a reason to visit your website or place of business? Bear in mind that marketing to bring in new clients is 6 times more expensive than providing exceptional service to your current clients. Set your goals for marketing, create your budget, and ensure that your messaging vividly describes what your client's future self will look like after they buy from you. In his book, The Winner Within, NBA coach Pat Riley shares the goal for both he and his teams is to achieve 1% more tomorrow than they did today. With that can-do attitude and laser-focused effort, his teams have achieved 7 NBA national championships. Coach Riley and his teams have always understood that success is never final. And that is today's Morning Minute.